To download the Orchid Realty International Real Estate app from an iPhone or Android, either go to the App Store and search for Orchid Realty Group, or if one of our amazing agents have sent you a QR code or link, simply click on the link and it will lead you right to downloading the app. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be able to sign up as a user and start using the app to search for Southwest Florida properties right away. Now that it's downloaded, you'll be able to see all of the listings that are available near you. You can also use the top magnifying glass section to search for city, zip code, or a specific address. If you pull up a specific address, you'll then be able to view all the photos that are associated with that listing. You can also contact your agent directly about that particular property. You can see all the information about that property, the description, and even write notes. It will also show you a map and the schools nearby and how they are rated. Using the Orchid Realty International Real Estate app to search for properties will allow you to save your favorite homes, get the most up-to-date property alerts when there is a status or price change, take notes, and easily communicate with your agent. We have recently added some great resources for you while exploring Southwest Florida that include top-rated restaurants, best beaches, what to do around Southwest Florida, holiday events, a direct link for a pre-approval, and so much more. Our app is the all-in-one app you need when not only searching for property in Southwest Florida, but also living here to stay up to date on the market and your surroundings. We hope this makes your home buying or selling experience smooth and seamless. Happy searching!